Ever wondered why breastfeeding, something so natural, can sometimes feel so challenging? Today, we're diving into the world of breastfeeding, exploring common hurdles and practical solutions. Scene script. Imagine the first few weeks with your newborn. As magical as they are, they come with their share of challenges. One of the most common is breastfeeding. Many new mothers find it tricky to establish a good latch or struggle with sore nipples, engorgement, or a low milk supply. So, here's the first tip. Patience and practice make perfect. It's crucial to remember that both you and your baby are learning. The first few days might be a bit rocky, but with time and persistence, you'll both get the hang of it. Secondly, ensuring a good latch is key. If your baby's mouth covers most of your areola and their lips are flanged out like a fish, you're on the right track. If you're experiencing pain or your baby seems unsatisfied after feeding, seek guidance from a lactation consultant. They can provide hands-on help and demonstrate different feeding positions. Thirdly, try to feed your baby on demand rather than on a strict schedule. This helps stimulate your milk production and meets your baby's needs better. Remember, every baby is unique and their feeding patterns will vary. Another important tip is to take care of your own nutrition. Eating a balanced diet and staying hydrated will not only improve your overall health, but also support your milk supply. And finally, don't forget about your comfort. Invest in a good nursing pillow and a comfortable chair. You'll be spending a lot of time feeding, so make sure you're comfortable. To recap, here are the key points we've discussed today. 1. Patience and practice are essential in the early days of breastfeeding. It's a learning process for both you and your baby. 2. A good latch is crucial for effective feeding and to prevent discomfort. If you're having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to a lactation consultant. 3. Feed your baby on demand, not on a strict schedule. This supports your milk supply and is more attuned to your baby's needs. 4. Your nutrition is important. A balanced diet and adequate hydration can boost your milk supply. And 5. Make sure you're comfortable while feeding. A good nursing pillow and a comfortable chair can make a world of difference. Breastfeeding might not always be a smooth journey, but with these tips, hopefully it can be a little easier. Remember, every breastfeeding journey is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Trust your instincts, seek help when needed, and know that you're doing an amazing job. Until next time, happy breastfeeding.